Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to make this quick and easy dish, sweet teriyaki noodles is what I call it. So here, these are all the ingredients I have, and we're just gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna start off with cutting up my onions. Please do not talk about the way I cut my vegetables. Everybody cut their vegetables different. There's no right or wrong way, so let's be nice to each other, okay? Okay. And so, yeah. So next we're gonna do the scallions, and I'm just cutting those up. Chop, 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 chop. And we're just cutting, 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 cutting. So I wanna cut my finger. Okay. So we're cutting some more, breaking them down, and after that we're gonna do our bell peppers now. Bell peppers are so weird. They're so weird to, cut up, but I I do them this way that you're gonna see. Like I said, everybody cut their vegetables differently, so let's not be rude. Let's be nice to each other. Okay, so I'm just cutting those up. I had to switch the way I was cutting them for some reason, and cutting, cutting, chop, 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 chop. There's our garlic clove. And some of you might not like this video. You might not like me just talking all the way through, but some people might like, a little podcast while learning how to cook. So I'm pushing that over. It really doesn't matter because they're all going in like the same thing basically. But here's our fresh broccoli. I do not like the bag broccoli for some reason. It tastes, I don't know, like freezer. I don't like that. But let's rinse them off. And I can't remember if I rinsed them with hot or cold water, so please don't ask because I have no clue. And let's just go back over here and break the broccoli florets apart, and let's cut off those thick stems. I do not like my broccoli like firm when it's in pasta. I like it firm when I am eating it with steak and mashed potatoes, but not with pasta. I like it really soft. So let's get that nasty stuff out of our shrimp because ew, nobody loves that. Let's take the shells off. Let's rinse thoroughly. And then we're gonna put some garlic powder, literally 2 seasonings, that's it, but light red peppers. And then after this, we're just gonna go ahead and mix that all in together. With shrimp, you don't have to have heavily seasoned shrimp because it will be really salty. So just 2 and just a little bit is enough. All right, so that's all set up, and that's all of the ingredients you need right there. And let's get into it. So I'm gonna butter up this pan, which I've already done. I was also filming a TikTok with the same exact phone, so some of these like clips and the stuff that you see is probably gonna be like, when did she put this? When did she do that? It's because I had to use one phone to do 2 things. So yeah, but I'm using this tongue to put in the chicken breast. And after a while, I got tired of using the tongue because the chicken breast started to cook really quick, so I started using my fingers. So that's just cooking up, and they're browning on the other side. And then now, like I said, you guys wouldn't see when I add that in because I did that for TikTok. Make sure you follow my TikTok at Shop Love Princess. I need to get a personal TikTok because that's really my business TikTok. But so we put the garlics over here in this pan for the broccoli and shrimp. We're just mixing that and letting it cook down a little bit. Cook, 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 cook. Cooking down. And then now our broccoli is in there with the lid over it to steam. Okay. I'm going to be quiet. All right. So now, after this one, the shrimp is going in. At this point, some of you may be like, why is she doing that? But honestly, shrimp does not take that long to cook, the same as broccoli. They cook really quickly, so I didn't mind like making them share a pan. And now we're just gonna add this over to our noodles. Oh my god, this is the fun part. So let's go ahead and start mixing it in and getting everything all together, getting those seasonings and those flavors. There's our sweet teriyaki, which brings this dish all together and make it what it needs to be. So we're gonna mix that all in. Mix, mix, mix. You want to get all of that sweet teriyaki on the chicken, on the shrimp, on the broccoli, on the noodles, the vegetables that are in there. You want to mix everything together till it gets to that beigey looking color. That's how you know all of that teriyaki is marinated in there. Yummy, right? Yummy. Oh my god, I'm so annoying with these voiceovers. But yeah, so that's that. Pretty much after this, I don't do nothing else. I put this on my plate and I go ahead and eat it. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments. That's my crayon apple lemonade. It's so easy to make. Bye.